Hello, Jane Cleland here. Does there have to be a detective in a murder mystery? It's an interesting question. And I think the answer is there has to be a solver, but that person doesn't necessarily have to be a detective. Let's back up a minute. Crime fiction is an umbrella term. It refers to a kind of fiction, a kind of genre fiction, in which order is disrupted, chaos ensues, and then order is returned. There's police procedurals, there's private eye, there's amateur sleuth, there's thrillers, which have their own subgenres, of course, of legal thrillers, political thrillers, domestic thrillers, medical thrillers, and the like. There's paranormal. There's a dozen or more subgenres of crime fiction. Many of them have a professional detective. Many of them have an everyman or an everywoman who is called upon to solve crimes that they didn't know they'd have to deal with. You run into that a lot in romantic suspense and women's suspense. Also psychological suspense, where an everyman is challenged by an extraordinary situation. But you notice in all of them, there's a problem, either a whodunit or a how can I stop them from doing it. And there's someone who deals with that problem so that it is resolved. Good luck with your storytelling. I know you can do it. And until we speak again, I hope you find great strength and solace from reading and writing.